like to welcome you to SeaWorld San Antonio, Texas. Let's go!
Only a short 15-minute drive from downtown San Antonio and you're here. Okay, here we are arriving at SeaWorld, and Julia, how much is it to go in?
So for a general day pass for non-resident is $75.
Okay, Chloe's ready. She's got her t-shirt on with her dolphins.
Yeah.
First things first, let's figure out where we're gonna go today.
So that's Aquatica. Yeah, so that's Aquatica, and this is SeaWorld. You have 2 parks in one, and you can pay extra to go to Aquatica, but we're going to SeaWorld. And SeaWorld has a whole bunch of roller coasters, shows, and much more.
Last time we were here at SeaWorld was when the girls were very young.
Like 5, 7, and 9.
Yeah, and it wasn't here, it was in Orlando. So we're really excited. We're gonna show you all the rides here today and all the must-sees and the top attractions to do here. So Angelique was just talking about the stroller rental prices. So if you're coming here and you're considering renting a stroller, it's better to just get your own, because they are how much, Angelique?
$40 US.
40 for a double?
For a single.
And double?
30, I think.
Okay, so that would be the opposite. Single would be 30. So either way, bring your own if you want to save yourself some money. Parking was $23. So there you go. And you're allowed to bring snacks and a water bottle, but I don't think you're allowed to bring a full-out cooler and everything like that. Just FYI. Okay, girls, where are we gonna go to first?
The big rides.
The big rides?
Yeah!
Big rides for some big girls.
So that one behind us is called Steel Eel, and it's family friendly.
Family friendly? It looks pretty scary to me.
It goes upside down.
So when we were in Iceland, there was a restaurant serving puffins. And I just found out what a puffin is. It's kind of like a mix between a penguin and a duck, if you will. And the puffins are found in the Arctic, so in the north, and the penguins are found in the Antarctic in the south. So that's why we found penguins in near Cape Town, and the puffins are up north.
Next ride's the Wave Breaker. Let's go!
We came when it's off season, so it's really nice because there's no lineups. am soaking wet.
Everyone, like this one was themed high school, the other one was themed like a town, you know, it's really neat. I really love how they can all perform, like especially with so cool with the sea lions doing all those tricks and being like almost like they were high school students. It was really cool.
What did you like about it?
Everything. I really loved that show. It was really cool.
It's pretty funny.
And it's funny.
There you are. Did you guys get wet?
A little. Time for Journey to the Atlantis to get a little bit wet.
It's normally 40 to 50-minute wait, and there's like 0 wait time, so it's the best time to come.
So if you didn't know, this is called Rio Loco, as it comes out.
Rio Loco, and who got wet?
Not me!
I got the most wet.
Put it away! Put it away! Put it away!
I will.
Put it away!
What happened?
The waterfall went on top of us! All of us! So this is our last ride, and it's, I think, it's about a shark. I don't know the name yet.
The great white.
Oh, well this is probably how it swims.
At first they were saying, at first they locked us out because of the wind, but now it just opened up. Yeah! Did you guys think I was not coming on the ride?
No, I thought you weren't coming. I wanted you.
You guys excited?
Yeah. A little.
All right, that ride spins you round and round, and the girls, they're on it again. You girls are nuts.
Really fun, amazing, yeah. And I think the front's really cool to see everything, but if you do it a second time, the back's actually kind of smooth as well.
last thing that you can do here at SeaWorld is you can actually go swim and have an encounter with the dolphins, like you see the postcard behind me, or the sign behind me. So it's Discovery Point. If you want information about that, you usually have to go to guest services to get more info, and it's an additional price. Something that we just saw in the bathrooms are portable chargers that you can actually rent. So you get a charger and then you replace it or something like that, which is really nice for all of those of you who are maybe not carrying one of these around all day long and you need more phone charge.
You put it in?
Yeah, you put it in, you can swap it.
One.
So basically for $30 you get this, you can have unlimited swapping, and then you own it after at the end. So if every park had that, you would never have a phone problem with your phone battery.